Now, I've been using this CTEK charger for a while now. I have one on my NSX and one on the 911, and they're absolutely great chargers. But the NXT definitely is the next evolution. And automatically, besides the color difference, one of the biggest differences that you could see is going to be the interface and what you see as the user. And what I mean by that, the original CTEK one had about 8 different stages here. And of course, in the bottom talked about what type of vehicle you had in your mode button. But the new NXT simplified it where you just have 3 stages, your mode button, and of course you have your type of vehicles, which in my opinion is a little helpful because you're allowing the charger to do its job without you getting worried about what stage it's in. Also, the biggest selling point on a NXT is going to be that it charges lithium batteries. And that makes sense because we are literally in a lithium revolution or evolution, whatever you want to call it, meaning that you see them in cell phones, you see them in cars, you see them literally in golf carts as well, motorcycles. So it's really cool that now we have a charger that is compatible with lithium batteries. Now, one of the great things about this charger as well is that they have taken into consideration different environments, which is pretty cool. And what I mean by that is that the original charger, which is a great one, some of the components and materials used under certain extreme temperatures, they became real stiff under cold temperatures. And now the new charger has taken that into consideration where the rubber is more malleable, which is a great improvement and also helpful for those people who are in different environments. Now, one of the biggest changes that I truly appreciate is the accessories that it came with. Originally, you had to cut these connectors in order for you to put them on or hardwire on a battery, and now they come pre-cut, which is awesome. And I like the inline fuse, and again, these materials have been upgraded for the environment. And we have our alligator clips, which is really neat. Now, one of the internal changes inside is that the algorithm is a little more intelligent. It takes in consideration different temperatures, but it also has a smarter algorithm and software for charging, which is great, which takes into consideration other factors with lithium batteries, AMG batteries, and everything. So this is kind of like the newest and improved charger that CTEK has as far as this lineup, and it's a great option if you're looking for a charger. Now, the link for this is going to be in the description, and I highly recommend it. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Hit that like button, and we'll talk to you soon.